Looking to start a spring garden? Spring Gardening 101, January 22nd, 2022. You can sign up for this event at www.filthyrichnnutrients.com. Valued savings. When you sign up and attend the Spring Gardening 101 at the DeSoto Marketplace in DeSoto, Texas, you will receive a $5 off coupon for the next Filthy Rich Nutrients purchase. Spring into action. You have the power to improve your own health and wellness through gardening. If you have a yard, a balcony, a windowsill, a porch, Filthy Rich Nutrients will invest in your success. You do have a green thumb. You can remember what your grandparents taught you. You will bounce back, relearn, and absorb with Filthy Rich Nutrients. Did you know? Soil health increases the health of the plants, also increases the amount of nutrients per crop, which will improve your health and wellness when you ingest. So why not invest in Filthy Rich Nutrients? Because the benefits of growing is you're going to grow together as a family. You're going to learn how to grow. That's huge. Improve nutrient-dense consumption, increase mindfulness, and connect yourself back to nature while nurturing you. You can't lose. Subscribe to Filthy Rich Nutrients today.